Hey y'all, long time no see. Today is going to be a clean with me car edition. Our car was an absolute wreck. I did not get it as clean as I wanted to just because I did have Parker with me and I don't clean at home. I actually go to the car wash and do all this just because it's a little bit easier on me personally. I don't have like a portable vacuum or anything like that, so it's just easier for me to go and pay like the 75 cents to use their vacuum and stuff, especially since we're going to be cleaning the car with their car wash anyways. But yeah, just follow along with me, maybe you'll get motivated. So the way this is happening is I'm cleaning, I guess technically my side of the car, and Jared is cleaning out his. I have not gone anywhere since we've been in quarantine. Jared works pretty much every day, so most of that he's cleaning up is actually his. But having him help me do this today was just a lot easier because I did hurt my back a while back, and so him helping me, like bending down and stuff, just was a complete lifesaver. So my plan for what I was doing was I had our little disinfectant spray from Method, and I was literally just spraying down everything that I could, not only to disinfect it, but this is like one of the best cleaners that I've used besides my amazing Whippet. And so I just wanted to get everything cleaned up and cleaned up good. But once I got to the steering wheel, I just wanted to use a disinfecting wipe on that, because Jared does work at Walmart, so he's around a lot of people, he's touching merchandise, and it seemed like that was going to be getting all the stuff off the steering wheel a lot better, and it did. Like, I show you how much gunk it got up off of it, and it honestly looks like a brand new steering wheel. So at this point, my back was already starting to hurt. Having a bad back plus being like 20 something weeks pregnant is not good. So I sat down to clean all of the doors, and this door was the worst. You know, Jared did his and then I did the rest of them, and I went after this door with a disinfectant wipe as well because this is the driver's side door. But honestly, the inside, for not being completely detailed, looks really good to me. So I'm proud, even though I didn't get everything I wanted done. And there's my sweet baby boy. I was going to take out his car seat and get underneath his car seat as well, but honestly, I did not want to have to deal with both of us trying to have to chase our little 2-year-old and all that. So I was just going to get underneath his car seat another day, especially with how bad the back seat was already. I was already tired. I was like, you know what, I'm just not going to do it. But he had fun with mommy and daddy getting back there with him at the same time and cleaning up. I did this side of the car, Jared did the other side. That way it was quicker. Now, I will say I am not very happy with these floor mats. They are the hardest thing to clean. I forgot to bring a brush, so cleaning the floor mats and then cleaning the seats was very hard for me. I'll remember that next time. But even with me scrubbing at it with a rag with this disinfecting spray, I did not get everything off. They are a lot cleaner than they were, but they are not up to my satisfaction as of right now. I will mention here, as you watch me struggle to clean these back seats, Like I said with the mats, I should have had like a little scrubbing brush with me to get all the bad parts off. I am going to go back over these eventually. You know, my car does not have to be perfect. I do have a crazy toddler back there, and we are going to get the car actually detailed before Oliver, the new baby, gets here. But this is just what I'm having to work with right now, because I forgot a lot of things. What can I say? This visor for me did not want to come up at all. It was, the button I guess did not work, or it's just this one's so old and I need to get a new one. Either way, I just gave up and just turned it over. And we are coming to the end of the video. I hope you got a little bit of motivation and decided to go out there and clean your car, or maybe it even convinced you to clean something else. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought, what you would like to see, and I will see you on the next video.